Look at this parking lot. It's so full. Yeah, today I'm at the Pick Apart in Sun Valley, and the parking lot is so full right now. Look at this. Today's 50% off of parts. And you know what? If you're getting an expensive part, of course, it's going to be a screaming deal. I mean, today, I'm not carrying my tools yet, because the idea is that when you're doing stuff like this, you got to do reconnaissance. Then you go back and grab the tools that you need to do whatever. And actually, you want to look at the app and see where you got to go. Yep. Have to do in-camera editing because unfortunately my editing equipment is not working very well. Listen to the sounds of the Pick Apart place. So, just for the ASMR of it, the sounds. And then I get my stamp on my wrist, because you don't want to get the stamp on your hand or the top of your hand, in case you're going to come back a couple times during the day. So, yeah. $3. I'm trying to be a little incognito, only because, you know, some people don't mind, other people do. You know, you just never know who you're gonna run into. Because I know, doing the YouTube thing and making the videos for all this time, I've had some uncomfortable experiences. You know, I went to Hollywood one time with my friend, and yeah, you would think that it would be all fine and fantastic, but apparently it didn't really. Oh man, the line is terrible. Look at that. Shoot. Well, dang, look at that line. That's like, I think 3 windows open. And look at that. That's like 20 people deep. Huh. Little bit of a bummer. But I'm going to go look at my I have a Volkswagen Golf right now that I'm working on, so let's go check it out. See, I was here on Tuesday, I think it was, and it wasn't quite picked over, but see, you could see that I started to take down the headliner. Look. Handles. See. Oh man, I don't even think they pulled the engine. Yeah, I don't even think this was like this when I came on Tuesday. So I guess they were pulling the transmission out. And the piece. Yep. They probably even did this early this morning too. Oh shoot, I do need the. Oh, well, that's kind of a cool deal, because I do need this. And and it's holding water, so that means it's not leaking. But what tools do I need to take it out? Looks like a 10 millimeter. I could take this reservoir too. Oh no, it's damaged. Look at that. That's messed up. Yeah, that's the one thing. One of my rules when I come to the Pick Apart place, by all means, if you can, try to remove the stuff without damaging too many things. I mean, in theory, if you can remove the items without damaging anything else, that's a really good, it's kind of, I would say it's kind of a courtesy thing. The headliner, is it okay, or did someone come along and destroy the rest of it? The headliner. See, rescuing the headliner is like not really priority, but if I could remove the headliner without breathing in all that freaking thing right there, that would be good. But I guess this is kind of helpful. I hope that gets separated. But this is holding. This window washer reservoir is holding water, so that's a good sign, because my reservoir apparently is broken. I went to go get service because my service now indicator was on, and man, someone really muffed this up to get to whatever, probably the transmission. The transmission's been, oh no, wait, the transmission's right there. So maybe someone was just pulled it apart just for the fun of it. Because there is a certain element of satisfaction tearing apart a car, that it's kind of sanctioned to do so. Like if you watch any of my other videos, you know that I've been doing the pick apart thing for some time. So yeah, I'm gonna go out and take some pictures from the outside for my thumbnail. And if you enjoyed this video at all, let me know. I'm just oh shoot, no, oh, that headliner's demolished now. Look at it. I can't rescue that. Well, good thing I saw that, because I'll be working on the other side of the headliner and being all proud, and then I'll be like, wait a minute. I'm gonna go look at my reservoir too before I buy this one. Oh, I bought this when I was here. All right, thanks.